Hello YouTube, and today in my second video I'm going to be teaching you how to change your background to the Windows 7 background, because on Windows 10 unfortunately you don't have the same background. You have this different background which is like for Windows, which is actually here as well, like that. And so people usually are like, oh, it's a little bit boring, I like the Windows 7 one better. I'm going to teach you how to get it. First, you're going to open your browser and go to the link in the description, which is this this image. Right click on the image and click save picture as, and then you're going to save the picture and save it as any. I'm going to save it as Windows 7 background image. Okay, and then you're gonna exit off it. Then, as I told you in my last video, which that link will be in the description as well, right click, go personalize, go to settings, go browse, go to where you save the picture and click choose picture. It's going to be there, and it looks exactly like it. So that's basically that. Now if you want to change it back, you can basically do that in easy steps. Just going to change it back again, because why not, I need to, and exit, and then there you go. That's basically how you do it. If you have any problems while doing this, you can always chat to me on Discord. My Discord username might be in the description. If not, then I'm just going to show you it now, because usually I'm a bit forgetful. So right here, let me just show you. Is going to be my Discord, and like if you have problems opening up apps, downloading it, if a website is unavailable now, then don't worry, I will get back to you as soon as possible, or you can email me. My email is techcomp578@gmail.com, and you can just email me from there. My Discord is Kimmy #5113, so you can just do that, and basically I'm gonna see you in the next video. So yeah, why have you watched this video and not subscribed? Go subscribe, smash that like button, comment down below what you thought of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.